Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and we're here with another foundation Friday. And today we're gonna talk about M.A.C Black Opal. So if you want to see, and it's new, I haven't used it yet. I actually got this from Marshalls for like $7. So if you want to see how this foundation works, how it performs, does it last, does it give you, a slay look, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so we're back, and I just dropped something and caught it, so that was good. So we're gonna talk about M.A.C Black Opal. I know my face looks super white, but I just using the Yummy Skin primer. So I'm in shade cashew. Actually, I think this shade is too light for me, but you know what, we're gonna make it work. There's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 18 23 shades, and the shades look like so I don't know, it's like there's a lot of dark shades but not a lot of like light shades. I don't care, I want it to be all inclusive. Tons of light shades, tons of dark shades, tons of middle shades. What is this? Oh wow, I'm like, what is this? Just, that was, I don't know, I don't even know, maybe some thingy eyeshadow. Okay, so as I said, my shade is cashew, which is CY1, and it says this is the #1 foundation. I actually paid $6.99 for this foundation, but it's $13.50 on their website, but I got this from Marshalls. And just a little thing about it, it's their bestseller, fragrance free, paraben free, cruelty free, UVA it's UVA/UVB protection, so protection from the sun, hypoallergenic. So it says our #1 bestseller is more than a foundation. These long wear pigment sticks deliver full coverage in a velvety finish, mask blemishes and under eye circles, or sculpt your cheekbones and define your features, perfect for all skin types. And the Shade ID technology uses multicolored chromatic pigments to adjust to your unique skin tone and neutralize imperfections for a flawless finish, enriched with antioxidants like vitamin C and E, along with sunscreen to nourish and protect your skin. So that is that, and we're just gonna go in, right? Oh wow. Well, this is light. See, that's why I say, like, this is crazy light. So it did not say anything about it not oxidizing. Today I want this foundation to oxidize because this is light. Oh my god. So I'm going in with my 732 from Lustre, and we're just gonna tap it. Just tap it. Sometimes cheap or inexpensive is not always better, because this is light. Oh my god. And I know, like, I am light now because it's winter time, but you know what? I mean, it's light. Is it light? Yes. Is it insane light? Maybe no. Let's blend. Let's blend and let's see what happens when it's fully blended. Just tapping. No, this is light. I'm bringing it down my neck a little bit because, ooh, this girl is light. I mean, it's not crazy light, but it is light. But you know what? Like, unless the foundation is just like literally white on my skin, I'm not too worried about this. Because at the end of the day, Like I can make this foundation work, you know? Like I can totally make it work. So this is from Jeffree Star. This is C15. I'm gonna put this right here. Okay, so the foundation actually like turned out to be like okay, you know, even if it looks like super light at first. So I'm gonna do my usual, give you 2 check-ins, and at the end of the night I will give you my final thoughts on how this foundation works and how it doesn't work. So see you guys later. Telling myself that it's okay, okay, 'cause every pleasure's got an inch of pain. Hi guys, so I'm doing my first check-in. Everything still looks really good. Yeah, oh my god, there's people like walking over behind me, but yeah, the foundation is still looking good. I don't have any creasing, so right now I've been wearing this foundation for about 3 hours maybe, yeah, because I got ready, I recorded and then I did a TikTok video, so you know, my TikTok people will look for that. But yeah, so it was just, so I've been wearing it for a while, and that was hot too, so I don't know, we'll see. We will see, but apart from that, everything still looks good. Everything still looks good. It's kind of chilly, which is, I know I'm wearing this green. Oh, look at my boots. I'm wearing the I keep saying Charlotte, it's a Tory Burch boot that I had to have, but yeah, everything is looking good. I know it's winter and I'm wearing this bright sweater, or you know, if you know, Europe area they call it jumpers, but yeah, everything still look amazing. So I will give you guys one more check-in and my final thoughts at the end of the night. See you guys later. I've been thinking about your smile. I've been thinking that I can't let you go. Hey, can you wait a little while? Why we're holding back, I don't know. I guess I'm more confused about you. You're my one temptation, yeah. I don't know why I pretend. Hi guys, so I'm doing my final check-in. Oh my god, let's ignore my lips. Yeah, that's gross. I was eating, you know, the use. I'm always eating, but yeah, let's talk about the foundation. So the foundation still looks really good. Man, look at this, and it's just, yeah. I was able to like blend this foundation to make it look like really nice. So everything still looks amazing. I have a little bit of separation right here, but nothing crazy. But yeah, everything still looks amazing. So I will give you guys my final thoughts at the end of the night on what I think about this foundation. So yeah, so see you guys later. Back again, telling myself that it's okay, okay, 'cause every pleasure's got an inch of pain. Maybe I'm indifferent, maybe I'm not thinking straight. I know I shouldn't play this game. Maybe I'm indifferent, maybe I'm not thinking straight. I know I shouldn't play this. Hi guys, so we're back and let's talk about this foundation. I know it's winter and I'm wearing this super bright sweater, or depending on what part of the world you are, or if you're in like Europe, it might be a jumper, because that's what they call this here. It's all dirty over here, but you know what, that's not what we're here to talk about. I know I'm going rambling on and on about this sweater. Let's talk about this foundation. This foundation, like, to be honest, actually looks really, really good. Like look at this. And by now, I put this foundation on like around 4 and it's like 9 o'clock, so 5 hours. That's a pretty good wear. Like, I don't have, like, my face is like matte. Like, there's no shine or anything like that. I may have like a little shine there or like here, but that's my highlighter and then the tip of my nose. But everything, like, I have like a tiny bit of separation right here. I have a little bit down here, but I was eating, so you already know how that goes. Like, your girl gotta eat, so when she's eating, whole different story. But apart from that, like, I feel like everything looks really good. Like, and my other products, like my contour, my powders, everything just lay like really, really good on this foundation. And this foundation, like, it's literally, it's $13.50 on Black Opal's website. But if you want to get it, I've seen it at Ross, I've seen it at TJ Maxx, and I've seen it at Marshall's, which is why I end up getting it. This shade looked very, very light for me when I first put it on, but no, it did oxidize a little bit, and you can just contour your face and you know, fix it up to make it look amazing. So, you know, the big question is, do I recommend this foundation? Absolutely. If you can get your hands on it, it's definitely worth a try. And yeah, so double thumbs up for this foundation. So that's it, guys, for this Foundation Friday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.
I want your hands forever.